Hello students, welcome to Saurav Sir's classes. In this video, I will be solving some objective questions from the book Tomato. Now in our first question, we have to find set of all real numbers x satisfying the inequality x cubed into 1 plus x into x minus 2 which is greater than equals to 0. Now this inequality will be greater than equals to 0 either all three parts, that is x cubed, 1 plus x and x minus 2 all are greater than 0, or two of them is negative and one is positive. So this can occur in the following condition. The first condition could be x greater than 0, x less than minus 1 and x less than 2. Now this has no intersection point, so there is no solution. The next condition could be, the first condition is these two parts are negative and this part is positive. The next condition would be the first part and the second part is negative while the third part is positive. So x less than 0, x less than minus 1 and x greater than 2. This also have no intersection points, so it has no solution. The third one is, and the first one and the third one is negative, while x plus 1 will give positive result. This can happen when x is less than 0 but x is greater than minus 1 and x is less than 2. This has the intersection point of minus 1 greater than equals to x greater than equals to 0. And the fourth one, that is all of them will give the positive value. It will have x greater than 0, x greater than minus 1 and x greater than 2. This will implies x is greater than 2 tends to infinity. Now none of these options are mentioned, so the correct answer would be in none of the foregoing forms, that is none of these. In the next question, we have function fx is equals to sine 1 by x cubed, where x goes from interval minus 2 pi to 0, and we have to find which of the following option is true. Now, as x becomes less than 1 and tends towards 0, it crosses pi, 2 pi, 3 pi and so on. So the number of sign change is infinite. So option number D is correct, that is fx will change sign infinite number of times. In the next question, we need to find which of the following option is not an odd function, where a function f is odd if f of minus x is equals to minus x. Now for option A, putting y is equals to minus x, we have, first let me change the color as green. Now y is equals to minus x, we have f of 0, because if it is x plus minus x is equals to 0, so f equals 0 is equals to f of x plus f of minus x. Now putting y is equals to 0, we will have f of x is equals to f of x plus f of 0. This implies f of 0 is equals to 0. So from equation 2, and let us denote this as 1, then from equation 1 and 2 we get f of x plus f of minus x is equals to 0, which implies f of x is equals to f of minus x is equals to minus f of x. So our option A, this function is an odd function. Similarly, for option B and D, it can be easily proved that they are odd functions. So the correct option is option number C, as f of minus x is equals to minus x minus x, which is equals to minus 2x, which is not equals to f of x, which is equals to 0. When x is greater than 0. Hence, this function is not an odd function. So the correct option is option number C.